Hello friends, today we are going to start the series on integral calculus for JEE main and advanced. This is first video on introduction to integral calculus. So first we discuss about the definition of the calculus. Calculus can be defined as the branch of mathematics that deals the rate of changes, rate of change. It means that it deals the study of rate of one variable with respect to an other variable. It can be divided into two categories. First is differential calculus. Differential calculus, in which we will discuss about the maxima, minima, relative maxima, minima, derivative differentiation calculus. And second is the integral calculus. Integral calculus. Our topic is integral calculus. So we will explore the integral calculus further. Integral calculus also divided into two categories. One is indefinite integral, and second is definite integral. Integrals. When we discuss about the definite integral, it means that we are discussing about the area under some curve from some given interval a to b. So definite integral study the area bounded by the regions, and the indefinite integral, in which we discuss some techniques and methods to solve the integrals. So this is our introduction of the calculus and integral calculus. Now, before studying to solving some methods and techniques, we start from some basic concepts and some important formulas that are using in the integral calculus. So here is some basic fundamentals of the integral calculus. These are the basic formulas. First is, we know that integral is antiderivative. It means that the answer of the derivative is the question of the integral. As we will see in all the formulas, here is the derivative of x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 by using the power formula in derivative. This is the power formula. Which is equal to, by using power formula, that n plus 1 from start, that is by using power formula n plus 1 x raised to power n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1, this cancel out, and minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, which is equals to x raised to power n. So this is the answer of the differentiation. So this is the question of the integral, because integral is the reverse process of differentiation. So here is the integral. this symbol is used for the integration. So integral x raised to power n dx, which is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus some constant, c is some constant. In the differentiation, we know that power formula, in the power formula that we subtract minus 1, but in the integral, which is the reverse process of differentiation, we add plus 1 and divided the power same. Second is the natural log, the differentiation of the natural log, which is equal to 1 over x, and the derivative of the term that enclosed in the log, which is equals to 1, so we get 1 over x. This is the restriction for the logarithm. So again, this is the derivative of this one. So this is the question of the integral that we know here. Integral of 1 over x dx, which is equal to natural log x plus some constant. To remember this, we know that the derivative of x is 1, which is present at the numerator. So the integral of this is natural log x. Third is the derivative of exponential is the same, and the integral is also the same of the exponential. These are the formulas you have been studied in the differential calculus in second year or first year. So we are just review all the formulas here. The derivative of sin x, which is equal to cos x, and the integral of the cos x, which is equal to some sin x. Thank you for the watching.